In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a secret message in Facebook Messenger. We will use the disappearing messages feature, which makes your messages automatically remove themselves after a set time, so you can keep sensitive chats from staying in the conversation forever. Open Messenger on your Android phone or iPhone. Look for the familiar blue chat bubble icon with a white lightning bolt in the center, then tap it. When the app opens, you should see your recent conversations list with profile pictures on the left and message previews on the right. If the chat list does not show right away, give it a second to load, especially on slower connections. Now open the chat where you want to send the secret style message. Tap the conversation with that person so the chat screen fills the phone. You should see your previous messages stacked vertically with a text box or plus button at the bottom. If this is a new person, you can start a new conversation first and then come back to these steps once the empty chat appears. Next, tap the person's name at the top of the chat screen. Their name usually appears in bold at the upper left, with their profile picture beside it. When you tap the name, Messenger opens that chat settings page. Here you will see options like themes, emojis, nicknames, and more, all specific to this one conversation, so anything you change here applies only to this chat. From there, tap Disappearing Messages. The option is usually somewhere near the middle of the list on this screen. When you select it, a new panel or page appears that shows different time options. If you do not see disappearing messages, double-check that you are in a personal one-to-one chat and not a business or special automated conversation, because those may not support this option. Now choose a timer. You might see choices like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and so on, depending on your version of the app. The timer you pick controls how long a message stays visible after the other person has seen it. A very short timer is good for quick, sensitive information, while a longer one gives them more time to reread before it disappears. Once you tap a time, Messenger applies it right away for new messages in this chat. With that ready, send your message. Type it in the message box as you normally would, then tap send. When the other person opens and views the message, the countdown begins, and as soon as the timer you chose runs out, the message disappears from the conversation for both of you. You may notice a small note under the message or in the chat header reminding you that disappearing messages are on, so you can always tell this chat is using a timer. You have just set up disappearing messages in a Facebook Messenger chat and sent a message that removes itself after it is seen. If this helped you keep a conversation more private, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear Messenger guides.